I want us to talk about derivatives. Okay, so how derivatives and quadratic equation come together, and I'll show you just now. So a derivative, what you need to know really with derivatives is this. So if you have y is equal to a is just a constant number, any number, x, again, independent variable, power b, right? If you have y is equal to a times x power b, if you have to find a derivative of y, it's going to just y and just a dash there, or other people they just say dy dx, which is saying you're deriving y with respect to x. If you have to find a derivative of y, it will be a times, or let me write it this way, it will be b times a x power b minus 1. That is how you would find the derivative of y. A times b power b minus 1, right? So let me give you good examples. So let's say you have y is equal to a x squared. What is the derivative of ax squared? That will be 2 times ax power 2 minus 1. That's how you find a derivative of ax squared, which means this is going to be 2ax power 1, and x power 1 is just x. So derivative of ax squared is 2ax. Now what is the derivative of y is equal to ax? Now a derivative of y is equal to ax, you're doing the same principle. You're saying derivative of a is equal to a, say 1 times a, so it's 1 times a power x power 1 minus 1. So 1 times a just a, x power 0 is anything x power 0 is 1. So you have a times 1, and a times 1 is a. So a derivative of y is equal to ax is equal to a. Derivative of ax is a. Last thing, a derivative of a. A is a constant again. So a, since it's a constant, the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. The derivative of a constant is equal to 0. Two things that you need. So what you have to learn here, you've learned what is a derivative, just a general equation of a derivative, and then you know a derivative of x squared is just 2ax. Derivative of ax is just a. Derivative of a constant is 0. Derivative of a constant is 0. Now